Hello and welcome to part one of the course basics for Schoology. We're just going to be talking briefly about some of the things you can do with courses. And remember, courses is what you will use for your actual classes to hand out assignments, grade assignments, receive assignments, and other important instructional information. On the course dashboard, and you can get to the course dashboard anytime by clicking on the Virginia Beach City Public Schools banner right here on the left top of this blue banner. You can also, once you're on the course dashboard, you can move by clicking and dragging and dropping courses around in different order to make it, more organized for yourself. You'll also notice that some of the courses will have shields on them. It's a yellow shield with a blue star. This indicates that you are the creator and or administrator of that course. You'll also notice that in the top 6 courses that I have up here, 5 of them have the exact same picture icon, which is the generic one that comes when you create a course or when a course is first set up. Just a pencil on a triangle and open book. One thing that you may want to do either before you start using Schoology with your students, or maybe even the first day, have your students as a class elect to have a picture that you can use to represent each individual course. It'll make finding it easier on the dashboard. And just to demonstrate how we do that, I'm going to go into this current course that we're in. All you have to do is up in the top left, you'll see the picture. You hover over it, and then a box will pop up saying Edit Picture, and click on that. There are several options that are given to you, but you can also attach a picture. So if you wanted to create a picture that says Block 1 or 1A, or however you want to do it, that could be cool as well. And just to save time here, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly change using one of these other built-in pictures here. I'll just use the one with the apple and the banana, maybe because I'm hungry. Click on it, and then as you can see, it is changed up here. And then if we go back to our dashboard, you'll see on the dashboard it's changed here as well, and it just helps it to pop, to stand out, makes it easier to distinguish between courses, and that's something that would help students so that they don't accidentally go into the wrong course. So now I'm going to go into the secondary sandbox, into this course. Open it up, and the first thing we're going to do is we may want to add another teacher to our course. So on the left hand side, if we scroll down about halfway, it says members. We'll click on members, and up here on the top it says add members. We'll click on that, and then you'll notice yours should say Virginia Beach Middle School, and listed down here, and of course you'd have to click more because they're not all listed on the first drop down here, are all the students in that attend our school. So you could easily just select a student if you wanted to here. However, since I'm adding a teacher, I'm going to type up here Dale Williams, click the search icon, and there's Dale. So I will click on Dale, and I will click add members. Dale is now here. Now, if I want, I can come over to this gear here, and I can make him a course administrator. That would give him all rights to add materials, add resources, add assignments, grade assignments, communicate with the students. It gives him full control as well, so I can make him an administrator if I truly wish to do so. I can also, and I'll just go ahead and have to confirm it, make him an administrator. So there he is. I can also come up here at any time, and I can unenroll anybody who's in the course and remove them from the course. I could keep Dale in the course but remove him as an administrator at any time if I wanted to. Also, you'll see preview course here. which is great because that means you can go to any student, and we've got these 3 generic students in our sandbox. Come here, and if we press preview course, it'll open up the course so that we'll see it in student view as the student would see it. And then when I'm done playing around looking at how the student's going to see it, I can just simply click back to course. And it takes me back to the course. I can also do that by simply coming up where it says course options right under the picture, clicking on that, and then I can click view as, and then I will get to select which one of the students I want to view the course as, and it would allow me to do that as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at that, we will come back to our course dashboard. Over here you'll see different assignments that have been set up. This is what students will see when they come to their home page as well. As educators, you'll get suggestions of people that you can connect with here off the course dashboard page. If we go back into a course, you'll see the Binder Notebook icon up here. If you click on that, it will list off all of your courses that you are part of, so that you can just click on another one and easily go back and forth between your courses while you're already in one, instead of having to take that extra step and go back to the dashboard. As someone who is an administrator of the course, I can come up here and I can add folders, I can add assignments, I can add a test or quiz. Now they're similar, but they aren't the same, and we'll go more into detail about assignments and test quizzes later on. You can add other assessments, you can add a discussion, you can create a new page, add media albums. You can import resources to add them straight to the page, though you can also do that within one of these as well. And then there are different apps that you can use at this point, which also will be covered in another section. Under options, you can save a course to your resources if you want to save it and possibly reuse it later on. And you can also see what students have completed and what is still yet to be done. So why don't you go ahead and go into the sandbox and play with what we've done here so far, and just get a feel for it.